Welcome to our fourth video, How to Make College Worth It, 7 Steps to Success. I'm Ashley Trimble, a middle school science teacher here in South Florida, and today my father, Jeff Culverhouse, author of How to Own Your Future College Edition, is going to talk to you about the Culverhouse methodology and the 7 steps it takes to move from high school to your dream career via college. And I promise you, these will completely destroy the current status quo as to how this journey's made.
So let's start with step 1, and I'll give you a little explanation of what's in each step. Step 1 is define what you want. This is defining your goals and objectives, which I've split into 3 categories: personal, career, and educational. The difference between a goal and an objective is a goal is a broad statement of something you want to achieve. For example, I want to earn a college degree. If you want to turn that goal into an objective, simply add a metric. For example, I want to earn a college degree and earn a grade point average of 3.5 or better. That's the metric. This is the best way to tell if you're successful in achieving your goals and objectives. If you meet or surpass the metric, you're successful. It's that simple. Step number 2, self-evaluation. We'll walk you through how to do an honest SWOT analysis. You have to be honest with yourself. SWOT stands for identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Step number 3, select a preliminary occupation and major. I'll coach you on how to identify the various occupations that exist and how to select one that will satisfy your goals and objectives, and also talk to you about why the major should never drive the occupation, as so often happens. The occupation is what's going to pay the bills, and it should always drive the major. The major should complement the occupation. Step number 4, select a college. I'll talk to you about the various types of selection criteria for this, the importance of identifying and understanding what your college education is going to cost you, and the danger of student loans. Even though a lot of people have them, they can be very dangerous. Number 5, finalize your occupation and major. I'll talk to you about how to finalize your occupation and how to leverage those steps into an internship. And believe me when I tell you that a successfully completed internship is the best way for you to have a standing job offer before you graduate from college. Number 6, prepare your personal marketing package. Your personal marketing package will consist of a cover letter, resume, references, and letters of recommendation. And I'll destroy many of the myths about resume writing. And I'll tell you this, when you start listening to other people about resumes, and you start reading books about resumes, ask yourself this question: how can someone who's never sold anything in their lives tell you how to sell yourself? The basic explanation is they just can't. Life doesn't work that way. Step number 7, earn your first job. I'll talk to you about the basic steps in the sales cycle that you'll go through when you're trying to find your first job. Number 1, prospecting. This is identifying and generating leads for job opportunities. Number 2, qualification. This is qualifying each lead and making sure that it's something you're really truly interested in, and the job is something that you would want before you chase something that you don't want. And number 3, the interview. I'll also talk to you about what to do when you get an offer and what happens next. So let's review these 7 steps. Number 1, define what you want. Number 2, honest self-evaluation. Number 3, select a preliminary occupation and major. Number 4, select a college. Number 5, finalize your occupation and major. Number 6, prepare your personal marketing package. And number 7, earn your first job.
If you don't define a destination by way of written goals and objectives, you're starting your life's journey after high school with your eyes closed. Follow the methodology, create a plan, and work the plan. Own your future. Don't leave it to chance and gamble it away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you tell us what you liked and what you would like to see in future videos in our comment section below. To learn more about How to Own Your Future College Edition, go to howtoown.org and follow us on Twitter.